Here's a 450J long track. We just got it in. We had new cutting edges put on it, and we had new sprockets put on it. The rest of the undercarriage is sealed and lubricated. Very, very nice tracks. It's got 2,800 some hours. Enclosed cab, air conditioning, heat, radio. When you look at the undercarriage, it is excellent. We're going to clean it up and polish it up a little bit. But it is very, very nice. And it's only got 2,800 hours on it. And you can look at the cutting edge and all, I mean the moldboard and all, it's excellent. Like I said, we haven't cleaned it or anything. This will be sort of a quickie. It's very, very clean inside. I can't reach that. Okay, Jay, go ahead. Well, let's see. Let me climb inside and let me show it to them real quick. Almost said the undercarriage is probably in the neighborhood of probably 90%, I bet, if not more. Inside is very clean. It's a little dusty, but we can clean it. That won't be a problem. But everything's, seats are nice on it. There's your radio up there. Let's see this. 2,817 hours.